Are you ready?
So fast. Yay, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Let's start. Question 1. Afrobeats or gengeton?
Afrobeats.
Studio, stage?
Stage.
Nice. Money or fame? Ooh. Choose wisely.
Ooh. Money or fame? Money or fame?
Yes.
Money or fame?
Money.
Nice.
Loco B.
Favorite Kenyan artist right now?
Sorry?
Favorite Kenyan artist right now?
Favorite Kenyan artist right now? Favorite Kenyan artist? Favorite Kenyan artist? Naweza sema Lexil.
Okay, Sauti Sol or Nyashinski?
Sauti Sol.
One artist you can drop everything to work with?
Shiba Karunji.
Nice. Songs you wish you wrote?
Songs I wish I wrote.
Maybe a genre, maybe.
Songs that I wish I wrote. I'm remembering. Kisii Nataya.
Okay.
Everyone loves that song.
Oh my god.
Okay, Lomax. Okay, most overrated artist.
Overrated artist. Oga Obina.
Okay, most underrated artist.
Underrated artist. Oh my god, jina yake inapotea. This rumba guy. Wa Kisii.
Rumba guy.
Huyu mwenye ameimba wimbo ya Shabana.
Solmanik.
Nice. Have you ever faked liking a song?
No.
Okay. Industry fake ama real life? Fake or real? To fake life ama tukwe real?
Kwa industry. Let's be real, because real never gets old.
Okay. Heartbreak or peace?
Peace.
Private life or public life?
I'm already in the public, so I chose it.
Toxic or loyal?
Loyal.
Who's your celebrity crush?
Man, a bad man. Like, who is a clown? You already know.
Alimsema mahali. Alimsema mahali. Let's see kako loyal.
Element LA.
Okay. Okay, worst DM you've ever received?
But is to launch in comedy at time.
Somebody DM'd me, alikuwa nasema niende because amekuwa kidanganya watu kwao. So niende anilipe 100 Gs tuende to fake kwenda kwao kama demu yake.
Nice.
Kwa doban.
100 Gs. Mimi superstar.
Nice.
Okay,
if not music, what would you be doing?
Fashion design.
Wow. So you're into fashion.
Yeah.
Nice. Yes. One thing you can't live without?
Lip balm.
If you had 1 million right now, what is the first thing you're going to do?
A music video.
Nice. The last question. It comes with a banger. Who's your crush?
Who's my crush?
Yeah, in the industry right now.
In the industry right now? See, is that the same question as celebrity crush?
Your crush. Just sasa inakuja. All round.
All round.
Yes.
Sema hata wiza bana. Nini?
Jamani, celebrity crush. Wasahi. Music industry.
Hadi mwenye ako chini ya maji. Unajua ni ile ilikuwa ni celebrity crush. Mwenye kila mtu anajua huyo sasa.
Wenye wako chini ya maji hamtawajua.
Anyway.
Anyway.